Good day class. In this video we are going to talk about addition of fractions. But before that we will get to know that how to change mixed fractions into improper and improper into mixed fractions. Okay. So let we have mixed fraction 2 3 upon 4. Then what we have to do is we know that 4 is the denominator. Okay, then let 4 be as denominator. What we have to do, we have to multiply the denominator by the whole and then add these numerator. It will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3, or we can say that this will be multiplied and the answer will be added. First of all, we have to multiply. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 upon 4. It will be 11 upon 4. Done? Okay. This was mixed to improper. How to change improper into mixed? Improper into mixed. Let's take 11 upon 4 as an example. 11 upon 4. Okay. So what we have to do is take numerator as dividend and 4 as divisor, denominator as divisor. So what we have to do? 4 2s are 8, 11 minus 8 is 3. So this will be the whole, this will be the numerator and this will be the denominator. Okay, and it's changed. Done? Okay, next topic is how to add fractions. How to add fractions. Okay, if fractions are having same base, having same denominator, then we can call them what? Like fractions. Yes, like fractions. When we have to add like fractions, addition of like fractions and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, let we have to subtract 5 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. We have to add 5 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. Okay, what we have to do is we will take 8 as denominator and the above numerator will be added. 5 plus 6. It will be 11 by 8. Okay. Next, what if we have to subtract? Like 6 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. Then what we have to do is, since they are like fractions, then we will write 8 as denominator. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1 by 8. Okay. This is because the LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8. So we don't need to change this numerator. Next step is addition or subtraction of unlike fractions. Like 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Done? What we have to do is we have to find LCM of 5 and 4. LCM of 5 and 4. It will be 20. Done? Okay. After that, what we have to do is we have to divide this 20 by 5. Okay. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4 and multiply that 4 with the numerator and it is Again 4. What is 4 into 4? It will be 16. Done. Next, what we have to do is 20 divided by 4. It will be 5. And 5 into 3 will be 15. Okay, plus 15. It will be 31 upon 20. Done. Okay. Next step is, if we have our answer in which kind of fraction it is? Improper fraction. Then we have to change it into mixed fraction. Okay, then it will be 21 by 20, 11 upon 20. Done? Okay, next is subtraction of unlike fractions. So we will subtract both these. 4 upon 5 minus 3 by 4 equals to. What we have to do is, we have to find the LCM, and we know it is 20. And we have already changed 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 4 into 4 it will be 16. Minus 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 5 into 3 will be 15. It will be 1 by 20. This is the final answer. So, isn't it easy? Addition and subtraction of like fractions. If we have like fractions, then we don't have to take LCM. And if there is unlike fraction, then we have to take LCM and convert it accordingly with the same base. We can write it like 16 upon 20 and 15 upon 20 in the place of 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Okay class? So this is addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. In the next topic, what we have to do? Okay. Next is, when we have to subtract whole numbers or add whole number in a fraction. Okay. Next topic is when we have to add or subtract a whole number. Okay. So what if I have to add 2 in 3 upon 4? Okay. So what we have to do is, it will be 3 upon 4 plus, I can write it 2 upon 1, because if we divide anything by 1, it will be again 2. We know that it is a which kind of fraction? Unlike fraction. Then we have to take LCM. It will be 4. 4 divided by 4, it will be 1. And 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3. Again, 4 divided by 1. We have to divide 4 by 1. So then 4 upon 1 will be 4. And answer 4 into 2 equals to 8. It will be 11 upon 4. And it is a what kind of fraction? Improper fraction. Then we have to change it. It will be 4 to the 8 plus 3 upon 4. Answer. Similarly, when we have to subtract, like if we have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 2, then what we have to do is, we have to take LCM. If we have to take LCM, then we must write it 2 upon 1. LCM of 4 and 1 will be 4. 4 divided by 1, 4 and multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Minus 4 divided by 4 into 1 into 3, it will be 3. Done? What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 4, or we can write it 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the multiplication, addition and subtraction of whole numbers with fractions. Done? In the next video, we will talk about multiplication and division of whole numbers with fractions and of fractions with fractions. Thank you class.